Welcome back. Today we are working on a 2008 Buell Ulysses XB12. It needs a lot of work to be safe for the road, and after discussing it with the client, repairs will be done in stages. A few things worth mentioning is that the throttle sticks really bad and is pretty stiff in operation, and the front brakes are almost non-existent. This bike has sat for a while and fell victim to a mouse house, which destroyed the wiring in the area along with the bank angle sensor harness, preventing the bike from running and having functioning turn signals. So first things first, we need to access the damage, so let's remove the luggage racks, lights, and cover panels. Before disconnecting any wires, I prefer to label them for easy reassembly. The client has provided a replacement BAS harness, but it doesn't connect to the main harness, so I will remove all the damaged wiring and install a plug to enable the donor harness to be installed, and also provide an easy disconnection point in case it needs to be removed in the future. Once that's done, let's connect the new harness and tuck things away. So now all that's left is reassembling all these wires, and this is a good example of why you want to label everything during disassembly, and it'll make this whole process a lot easier. Well, we're well on our way of wrapping up this motorcycle, and what we're doing now is just going to toss on a couple zip ties and tidy everything up, get the covers reinstalled, and then the luggage racks, crash bars, the seat. One thing that I would like to mention, as I would recommend, toss a couple dryer sheets inside of the voids and pockets of any vehicles that you're storing outdoors or under a carport or in a barn, because the rumor is that mice and rats, they do not like dryer sheets, so they'd be less likely to build a little mouse house inside of your vehicle, and it would save you all the trouble of having to repair your wiring later on. Alright, let's reinstall and attach our seat release cable and give it a little test, and once that's done, I think we're going to be ready for a startup. There's still much to do on this motorbike. The fuel pump does not currently work, but I have verified it's receiving power, ground, and signal, but we are not going to be fixing that at this time. Let's start it up with an external fuel supply to check our progress so far. Well, it looks like it's alive again, so now I'd like to take this time to thank you all for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. It will enable me to make more videos in the future, and I appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching.